How to get unbanned from Wizz App. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you have been banned on Wizz App for different reasons, in this video, I'm going to guide you how you can get unbanned from the Wizz application. The first step you want to do is exit the Wizz application. Then you want to head over to your settings, tap on Apps, select Wizz App from here, tap on Storage. Then tap on the Clear Cache option. After that, tap on the Clear Data option. Then tap on Delete to delete all the data of the Wizz application. After that, you want to open the Wizz application, get logged into your account and check if you have been unbanned. If you are still banned from your account, you want to open up your Play Store or App Store. Then on the search bar, search for VPN Proxy Master. Then tap on the Install option for this. Or you can install any other VPN application. Now tap on the Open option. Now the next step is to set up your VPN. For that, tap on the Connect option. Once VPN has been connected, you now want to open up your Wizz app and then log into your account and check. If you still are unbanned, you simply want to wait out a couple of days until you get unbanned from your account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.